Hey everyone, welcome to the next video on the Nissan Sunny. If you saw the previous video, you would know that I have some plans to customize my Sunny a bit. And today I'm going to go over some of those plans and some rough sketches I've done to show what the Sunny might look like. First, here's the Sunny currently. Can't really see it in this picture, but it's got some scratches which need fixing and respraying. So either way, it's going to need a respray either in the original color or the new color. I've always liked orange cars like this one here, but I've never really been able to have one, and I've always thought they stand out and look cool. So I decided to see what the Sunny would look like with it. So using paint, I tried to take the color from that and put it onto the Sunny. It didn't turn out the prettiest, but you can see a very rough sketch of what the Sunny will look like if it's orange. And to go with that, the current spray badge would not really fit with an orange car because the spray badge is also orange. So I thought I might modernize it a bit, take it out from the 90s and bring it into the 2010s, or whatever you call the current time. So I did that, and I then decided to see what it would look like on the background of the Sunny, and then what it would look like on the orange background. So I just kind of cropped a bit of that orange car and put the spray badge on it. And I actually think it looks nicer than the original on both cars, and it works well with the orange as well as the current green color. So I might do that anyway. Also, if I go to orange, I'd probably want to update the badge because I don't feel like silver would go well with it. So I'd probably go to this black badge, which I could get online, and as you can see, doesn't look too bad with the orange and kind of fits that sleek look. So in the comments, give any suggestions you have, what you guys think, if it should be left original, if it should be left with scratches for some reason, or if you think I should go ahead and completely redo it, maybe even redo the interior to match and get a nice custom car. That's all for this video, and if you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace!